ultimately I don't understand a thing. I try to do the best I can. I know you try to do the same. We're just so bound to make
So,
mistakes.
first thing that we're gonna start out with is the additive inverse. Basically, the additive inverse of a number is the same number with the opposite sign. For example, 6 plus negative 6 will always equal 0. Now, if I want to give another example, but like in word form, it's what's the additive inverse for 5? It's going to be negative 5 because it's the opposite sign, but it's the same number. Now, what are some more examples? Some more examples include 36 plus negative 36 will always equal 0. Now, to explain this further, you can set up a number line and it can help you think more about how they're on the opposite side from 0. It also tends to help if you think of it as walking, like walking 6 steps and then walking back 6 steps. You're going nowhere. You eventually end up with 0 steps. Another example is 2 plus negative 2 is equal to 0. Another example is 3.4 plus negative 3.4 equals 0. 4.25 plus negative 4.25 equals 0. 5.0001 plus negative 5.001, you guessed it, it's going to equal 0. So that is the additive inverse. Okay, now for the multiplicative inverse property. The multiplicative inverse property is the reciprocal of that number equal to 1. Now, when I first hear this, I think, what is the reciprocal? So I tried to look it up in the vocab section of this unit. And I couldn't find it, so I just resorted to looking it up on dictionary.com. After doing this, I found this very technical definition for this word. So what I got out of it is that the reciprocal of a number essentially is flipping its numerator and denominator in its fraction form. What are some examples of this? So, an example of this is 4 over 5 and then 5 over 4. Any reciprocal of the same number is going to equal 1. This is the multiplicative inverse property. Some examples of this is 5 over 7 times 7 over 5, and this equals 1. 2 over 5 times 5 over 2, this equals 1. 12 over 3 times 3 over 12, this equals 1. Or, essentially what you're doing in this is you are canceling out all the numbers by dividing them by the highest number and getting 1. And then another example of this is 2 over 31 and then 31 over 2. and then they all equal 1. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, bye.